Hello again, guys. On this video I will show you how to give names to the inputs. So give names to the sticks, to the switches, and to the potentiometers. Okay, I like to do it because I like to have my radio organized, and when I'm configuring something like a new channel, like a new logical switch or a function, something. I don't like to go and see. Okay, this switch is called SA, and the one SB, and this one S2, and so on. So I like to have names given to each of the switches that I'm using. All right, so some of them don't have any name assigned to it because I'm not using them yet, which are only these two switches and the two potentiometers on the side, because hello jumper, these ones simply suck. Okay, they are so what can I call to these? I can move it accidentally when I'm flying, so this makes these potentiometers almost useless. Alright, so jumper, I hope you fix these, give some more drag to it. See how Futaba radio is done, and take an example from that, because the way it is done, it's quite useless. Okay, but let's go straight for the names. So it is done on system configuration. Long press, there we go, and we want to go to this icon there, this tab. All right, on the configuration, the same tab where you do the calibration. So, and here we are. These are the sticks. So these two sticks. This column here, it's the default name given by the firmware, and this one here, it's the name that you're gonna give to them. Alright, so on this one I have just replicate the name given already by the firmware, and then there it's the name I have given for each one of the pots. Here are the pots, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and attention, because this is considered as a potentiometer, but it's not. So these 6 keys here are considered as a potentiometer, but it's not. So, but it's included here. So if I want to give a name to the LS, which is the left one there, I just have to scroll there one notch and give a name to it, something. Okay, and the name it's given every time you go into configuration to any input mix special function or something, and you want to look at that potentiometer. It will be called BCB in this case, which is the name I've given randomly, and it's done. One step backwards, and then you have the switches. Okay, so I have not given the names for some of the switches as well, but in here you can see that I have called the reset to this one. I have called OSD to this one here, that controls my OSD pages on the flight controller, and the other one, it's called dual rate, which is this one where I have 100%, 75, 50. Okay, that's pretty much it. Nothing more to say about this. Thank you, see you on the next one.